Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 rumors are already making the rounds on the heels of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 debut. We don't know much this early, but we're hearing that next year's foldable could be lighter in your pocket and bigger in your hands. Samsung, unsurprisingly, comes out with a new phone every year. That simple fact, coupled with a few early rumors, has us confident that the Z Fold 7 is in the works. Since the company announces new phones at their Unpacked events, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 release date will fall in line with next year's Samsung Unpacked event. How much the Z Fold 7 will cost isn't something we can determine this far out. If we assume Samsung will stick with the same pricing as the Z Fold 6, it'll start at $1,899.99. However, this year's phone is priced $100 higher than last year's, so we could be looking at a $2,000 phone next year. All we've heard so far is that the next Galaxy Z Fold might have a larger screen and be slimmer and lighter. If this report from the Korea Economic Daily is accurate, the next Z Fold could be as thin as Samsung's S-series phones when folded. The report says Samsung engineers have been tasked with making the phone similar to the bar-type Galaxy S24 thickness of 7.7mm. This sounds doable at a glance, considering the downward trend we've seen so far. The first Galaxy Fold from 2019 sits at 17.1mm and the latest model is just over 12mm thick. But this means that, when unfolded, the phone would be half the thickness of the 8.6mm Galaxy S24 Ultra. Only time will tell if Samsung can manage this significant of a change in just over a year. The company is also reportedly trimming off some weight, but we don't know how much. Durability is the most obvious concern as a phone gets thinner and lighter, so it will be interesting to see how Samsung tackles this. Despite its slimmed-down profile, the Z Fold 7 might also manage to pack a bigger screen. Rumors say the foldable display could get as big as 8 inches. The Z Fold 6 is 7.6 inches. The display might use blue phosphorescent OLED instead of blue fluorescent, which could ultimately reduce the size of the battery, supporting the rumor of a thinner device. Given its purported release date, the Z Fold 7 will likely run the Android 15-based One UI 7 operating system. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.